Priyanka Chopra has never shied away from colourful makeup, be it a bold red lip or a metallic eyeshadow. She seems ready to experiment with just anything, just like me. So why would she opt for anything less dramatic for the royal wedding? She chose a bright magenta eye makeup look to pair with a Vivienne Westwood lilac suit, and I'm gonna recreate that look for you guys. Glad you guys loved the previous recreation, and I hope you like this one too. Let me know if this was a crush or crash and the celebrity makeup look you would want me to recreate next. For more makeup tips and tricks and celebrity makeup looks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty.